Hello everyone, welcome for this session. I hope you have gone through all the videos properly. Okay, I have tried to explain it thoroughly, whatever the small points are there. Okay, according to that, I have did my best. Okay, so still, if you have any problem and all that, you can contact me. Okay, so that way we can solve your doubts and all those things. Okay, so. This session again I am going to explain, as I told you, about sea breeze and land breeze. Okay. Afterwards we are going to learn about the what type of clothes should we use in our daily life according to seasons. In which seasons we should use which type of clothes. Okay. How does they affect on the body? That point we are going to see. First of all, let's see about the sea breeze and land breeze. Okay, so sea breeze and land breeze actually it creates, we can say, a wind current. If I told you that when we burn the fire, okay, that time the area whichever you are burning, upper side there will be a vacuum. Okay, why the vacuum will be created in that situation? Let's see. Whenever you burn it, suppose switch on the gas and just see from this line, eye like this. Okay, in this situation you go and see, you will find out that something is going upward direction. Something is what the air, which was the air surrounded by that gas stove. That's when you switch on the gas, in that time it started burning. Okay, and that heat is given to that air, and the air becomes lighter. Okay, when does the air becomes lighter? Warm air. Whenever we give heat to the air, it started flowing upwards. When it goes up in upwards direction, in that situation, okay, the vacuum is created in that place. Okay, and that vacuum is filled by cold air. Again, that cold air goes upwards again. So this situation, that circle is in continuous motion. Okay, the circle is in continuous motion. So same thing happens here. See, sea breeze always occurs during daytime. And land breeze always occurs at night. See, as we compare land and water, if we heat to both, if we give heat to the boat, in this situation, lands heat fast and it became cool fast. Okay, whenever we heat to the land, जब भी हम जमीन को गर्म होता देखते हैं तो वो कैसे होती है? इट विल हीट फास्ट एंड कूल फास्ट. वाटर इट हीट स्लोली and cools slowly. Okay, so in this situation, suppose this is the land area. And this is the sea. Okay. Air is present everywhere. Air is present here also, and that situation here also. Okay. Air is present everywhere, each and every corner of the earth. We can't say the corner because it is not a square. Okay, wherever we go, we find out air. Okay, so in that situation, when the heat of the sun started heating it, okay, when the sunlight started heating it, so it is sunlight. Okay, what's going on here? The sunlight is heating this. Okay, heating to the land. Land heat faster. Land heat faster. Whenever the land is getting heat, at that time the air present in that it is rising upwards. The air rises upwards because it becomes now warm air. Okay, and warm air is lighter than cold air. Warm air is lighter than cold air. So in that situation, what is happening? The air rises upward direction. Air rises in upward direction. Okay. When the air goes up in the sky, what happens? Nothing is there, no air, vacuum, completely air is vacuum. Why vacuum? Because the air rises upwards. Air rises upward. There is a vacuum. Now, warm air is lighter than cold air, so warm air goes upwards. Cold air comes down, so the air from the sea rush towards the land to take the space. So the vacuum is filled by this cold air. When this cold air comes here, it again becomes warm air. It goes upwards. So this air again gets cool and take this place. So this circle is going on. So that is called sea breeze. What do we call it? We call it sea breeze. Okay? Have you understood? Land gets heat faster. In that situation, what happens? Warm air rises upwards. Okay, warm air rises upward. The vacuum is created, and that vacuum is filled by cold air from sea. Okay, so the air is from sea to land is called sea breeze. Okay, the wind or the air from sea to land is called sea breeze. Why it is coming from sea to land? Because it is vacuum. Okay, why here it is vacuum? Because of the land, the air becomes warm and rises upwards. So that vacuum is filled by cold air from the sea. That is called sea breeze. What do we call it, better? We call it sea breeze. Okay, so in this situation now, land breeze. What do you mean by land breeze? Okay, so what is mean by land breeze? How will we define land breeze? Okay, see, if you want to define the land breeze, this is the land area and this is the sea. Okay, so this is the whatever we learned first time. Land heat fast, cool fast. Water heat slowly and cool slowly. At that night, land became cold. Suddenly becomes cold. But still at night, this seawater is hot. Seawater is hot. Okay, it is cold. It is hot. Land is cold at night and sea is hot. Why it is cold? Land is cold because land heat faster, cooled faster. Why the sea is hot? Because it heats slowly and cools slowly. Whatever the air present on the sea, it becomes warm at night. This is warm air. This is warm air, and as you know that warm air is lighter than cold air. So what happens with the warm air? Warm air rises upwards. Warm air rises upwards. It goes in upward direction. Okay. Warm air rises upwards. What happens in this situation now? Vacuum. What happens in this situation? Vacuum. There is no air in that place. Okay. No air means now land. What is the condition of land? It is cold. So the air from the land rush towards the sea to acquire the space. Okay. So from the land, cold air rush towards the sea. So that is called land breeze. What do we call to this situation? We call it land breeze. Okay, sea breeze, land breeze. Okay, so again, once I will explain this point, land breeze and sea breeze. See, before learning this point, what we need to understand, the basic thing that we need to understand is land and water heat faster, cool faster. Okay, what about the land? Land heat faster and cool faster. What about the water? Heat slowly, cool slowly. Heat slowly, cool slowly. So in this situation, what happens when the sunlight warms the land, give heat to the land. In this situation, the air present on the land gets warmer, and it rises upwards. What happens? It rises upwards. When it rises upwards, vacuum is there. What is there? There is a huge vacuum. And as you know that on the land, if there is a vacuum, the air is filled with that vacuum. Air fills that vacuum. Always the air fills that vacuum. In that time, the cold air from the sea rush towards the land. Why it rush towards the land? Because there is a vacuum. Why there is a vacuum? Because the air becomes warm and rises upwards. So that vacuum is taken by this cold air from sea. Again that cold air becomes hot, again goes upwards. Okay, and that warm air cools down and come near the sea. So that is the sea breeze. What do we call this situation? We call it sea breeze. And these things go throughout the day. This process goes on throughout the day. Okay, so we call it sea breeze. What do we call it? Sea breeze. Okay, now here is land breeze. The same formula. Okay. Heat faster, cool faster, heat slowly, cool slowly. Land. At night, suddenly it cools down. Okay. At night, land suddenly cools down. But seawater, throughout the day, it absorbs the sunlight. So it becomes warm now. Now, sea became warm. So in that situation, what happened? Sea is warm, that means the air which is on the sea surface, it also become warm. And what will the warm air? Warm air always rises upwards. Warm air always rises upwards. What created here in this situation? It is vacuum. What is there now? Vacuum. And that vacuum is filled by the air from the land. Okay, so the air from the land rushes towards the sea. Okay, because it is cold air, again it takes that vacuum. Again it becomes hot, again it goes upwards. Okay, so this cycle is continuously, that is called land breeze. Sea breeze and land breeze. Okay, so what do we need to understand? We need to understand only these 2 points. Land heat faster, cool faster, water heat slowly and cool slowly. Only these 2 points we need to remember. Okay. If you remember these 2 points, we can understand the sea breeze and land breeze. Don't get confused in the sea breeze and land breeze. It is very easy. Okay. During daytime, it is sea breeze because land get heat faster and the warm air rises upwards and the air from the sea rush towards the land. Okay. The same here. Land breeze. What happened in the land breeze? The warm air from the sea rises upwards, the air from the land rushes towards the sea to get the space or to acquire the space, that is called land breeze. So sea breeze and land breeze. Okay, these two concepts I have explained thoroughly. Okay, so now I think I need to stop here. So I hope you understood land breeze and sea breeze. Okay, so in next video we are going to see what type of clothes do we wear according to season. In which season we refer which type of clothes. That point we are going to learn tomorrow next in next video. So that's it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.